How to link TikTok on CapCut application. Our guest question is if to link your TikTok account on CapCut app. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once we open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on sign in. Once we click on sign in, you can see the option for login to TikTok. Click on login to TikTok. After you click on it, now click on continue. Over here you need to fill up your details like registered email and password of the TikTok. Once you fill up the details, you will be able to link your account on TikTok. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna link TikTok ID on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. See you, bye bye.